Good morning. Today we're in Solvang.
Welcome back to our channel, Disconnect for Adventure. Lately, we haven't posted anything recently. This summer's been crazy. We've been going through a lot of stuff, and tell them the big news, babe.
We got married.
Yes, so we just got married recently in October, so we've been completely tied up this whole summer and fall, so we're sorry we haven't put out very many videos, but today we're in Solvang, California. We're celebrating Veterans Day. They have a nice picnic set up for it today, and so we're going to check out the town, so come with us.
Let's go.
And a trip to Solvang wouldn't be complete without a first stop at Burkholm's Bakery, the best cheese Danish in town.